backup, half-witted, scruffy-looking nerf herder.
Hey guys, what's going on? Benji here. I got another sound font from Kyberphonic Fonts Old Knights package. This one is the Competent Slicer. The Competent Slicer is an Atten Rand sound font. Atten Rand is a pretty cool story as far as the Old Republic. He was a Jedi who defected to Revan because he was a huge Revan supporter, and he was very angry with the Jedi Order, with the way they handled the war and all that stuff. He's a pilot from Alderaan, and when training under Revan, he became an effective Jedi hunter. So he would hunt other Jedi, and he would capture them and either convert them to the dark side or... Today I got the sound font on, you guessed it, my CFX. Orgaston style flagship CFX. I just love it for the Old Republic fonts. I'm doing it. Can't stop me. You'll get it for CFX, Profi, and Verso, optimized for those soundboards, as well as folders with quotes, music, and yeah. And also it has 2 preons, which are pretty cool. Make the ignition sound awesome. I'm sure you guys, if you've been watching all these sound font reviews for the Old Knights, they all have these really cool preons. Adds a lot to the ignitions and post offs as well. Let's go ahead and boot this guy up.
Atten Rand. I have a bad feeling about this.
I love the power downs. It's one of those ones that you... Yeah, I love the power offs. The preons and the power offs are really cool. There's a lot of, and the power ons. I love a lot of the power ons are like, pyong. I'm a fan of those kind of spring-like ones, kind of like the Yoda one where it's like boing, shong. That's what gets me going sometimes. I don't know why. Accent swings. Flashes. Blasters. Lockup. Love M-locks, man. I'm a fan of M-locks. Force wave. Alright. Blade time. Time to put that blade up in now. I just went with an amberish yellow. Just what I was feeling, man. That's what I was feeling. The power downs. The power downs. Love it. I love those power downs. Shoot! All right, I really dig that one. I want to read. Looks so good in an amber too. All right, so you will get. Does it say 2 tracks? 2 music tracks, I believe. Oh, sorry. You get 4 music tracks. I love getting all this new music, man. I got so many tracks that I could just throw on sabers. And I love music. I think it just brings it out. Alright, and as always, with these old nights, with the game, you get tons. You get tons. I'm talking tons of quotes. Actually, I think this might be the most quotes I've seen so far. So with Add and Ran, with the competent slicer, you get 128 quote wave files. Let's randomize it.
Tried to play it off as a joke. Wasn't funny. Hurts when I laugh. Hurts. Yeah, well, I'm still not convinced you aren't cheating. Next time I walk in here, I'm carrying a blaster. This is Ronto Scrag. What house rule says I have to go first? Even if I didn't have to go first and somehow I didn't suspect you of counting cards, I still wouldn't play with a trash compactor. Ooh. You don't survive on the rim as long as I have without knowing when trouble's coming.
All right, there we go. There's another one in the Old Knights sound font package. Gotta say, man, I love the power ons, power downs, swing the hums. Jesse, you're killing it in all these fonts. They're so much fun to play with, and they're all very distinctive. You guys go out and support. Obviously, if you're here by now, you'll know that these fonts are a lot of fun. One of the things that I thoroughly enjoy are the fact that these guys make these sound fonts for us to play with. I've said it in a ton of videos. If it wasn't for sound font makers, I personally don't know how to make a sound font. But if I did, I would love to play with it a lot. No, but I don't know how to make a sound font. And probably the most customizable thing, easy customizable thing for me, and just constantly changing out sound fonts. I can't stop collecting sound fonts. I've got so many, and these sabers pile up with them, but they just, I mean, that's the one thing I do the most with the lightsaber is play with the sounds. I mean, without sound font makers, you guys, I said it a bunch, we would be on stock fonts from a soundboard, and where's the fun in that? I love the continuing of new stuff to play with. It keeps the fun going. So go out there and support them, you guys. Go purchase these fonts, throw them on your saber, have a good time, show everyone, and enjoy them, have fun. That's what these are for. All right, guys, that'll do it for this one. I've got other stuff in the works, as well as commissions and whatnot. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting, and I'll see you in the next video.
All right then. Where are we going again?
Who's scruffy looking?